This is called a grand one bedroom at the Fairmont Olympic. This is the foyer area, the manager called it. And it is very pretty right now. We just got in and this is all of our luggage. So this is one half of the grand suite. We've got a couch, couple of chairs, TV, drawers and things, mini bar. We are on the corner on the 10th floor. We got plugs in the desk. This is a fold-out bed. It came out from the wall. We've also got a dining room table, a nightstand over here. And then we've also got this little butler's pantry, Nespresso, coffee stuff, microwave, refrigerator, which we did not have in our other room, tea stuff, and a sink. So very nice. Then we've got a very similar closet compared to the other room we had. Oops. Some very nice thick robes that are not fluffy friendly. And then in here, in the other half of the room, we've got another desk, couch, chair, coffee table, one TV there, some more Nespresso stuff. And then we've got another closet that is very similar to the other two closets that I've showed you. Again, robes, a bigger bathroom. The tub is still the same size, same amenities. I don't think it's bigger vanity space, but here's a vanity. The toilet is over here in the corner, and then we've got a window for outside. And then this is where the rooms connect again. And I think you can make it bigger from over there. And then we've got the bed. Okay, so now I get to show you the entire other part of our room. We've got a big king-size bed. Then we have a chair with an ottoman over here with a little table. The nightstands do have outlets. So there is USB and plugs. And then over here, we've got the couch and another chair, lots of windows, this little desk area. And this is what it looks like looking in. And then this again is the entryway. And then let me show you the other bathroom that I missed earlier. So, toilet as soon as you walk in. A huge vanity. And then here is the shower area. Very similar to the other room we had, but there's no pretty tiling in the wall. Then it comes with really good shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. If we were only coming to this hotel, I wouldn't bring my own if we came back. But this is the Fairmont Olympic in Seattle, and this is the grand one-bedroom suite. So I think it is amazing. The towels over here are very soft, very high quality. So this might be, no, this definitely is the nicest hotel I've ever stayed in. So, and the people were so nice.